I'm Jandy and I'm going to show you how to restore some dry, drabby hair extensions back to a perfect, amazing condition. All I'm going to use is a brush, an oil, and my blow dryer. So I'm going to freshly wash my hair, have it wet. I'm going to put about a quarter size of this oil in my hair when it's wet, just on the ends. I'm going to work it through the ends. Then I'm going to brush the oil through my hair while it's wet, get all the tangles out, get it brushed out really, really, really good. And then I'm going to start to blow dry it. So you put the oil in when it's wet, you brush it out, then you blow dry it. So I'm going to tell you how to rev up second day hair. So I don't like to wear my hair in a ponytail when I sleep, so I like to just be young, wild, and living free in the night. So in the morning, I'll use about a dime size of this, so a little bit less. I'll run it through my ends, then I'll brush it, and if you want to add a little body to the top, I'll just go through with the blow dryer and I will brush and blow dry it all together, and it will restore the silkiness once again to basically brand new condition, feeling amazing. Nobody should be running around with coarse, dry hair extensions. We all should have silky, shiny, smooth, soft hair. All good hair extensions have the potential to be restored to their normal, amazing condition. If you have good hair in your head, you shouldn't have any problems restoring it back to its basically brand new condition. This will coat your hair with almost like a plastic coating. I say plastic, it's the best way I can use to describe it. It almost coats it with a coating, and it will bring out the shine. It'll make it shiny, smooth, and soft. My hair for the past like 2 weeks was feeling really dry on the ends, and I drowned my ends in this oil. I blow dried it, flat ironed it, and it feels amazing. I've got compliments the past 2 days over and over and over again. This oil is life. So I use it wet or I use it dry, either one. But if you use it when it's wet, it almost lasts you throughout the whole entire wash until you wash it again. You can use it when it's dry daily as needed. It's amazing. It smells amazing. It smells like strawberry kiwi. So what I like to do is, I suggest this to everyone. I brush and blow dry at the same time while I'm blow drying my hair to almost straighten it before I straighten it. So I'm using this brush to eliminate all frizz and almost create that shine with the heat from the blow dryer and the brush. And a lot of people are scared to blow dry their hair from the heat from the blow dryer. I'm not scared. This has a heat protectant in it, and it's extremely moisturizing. I've never used anything that I love as much as this. I hope this helps. I hope you love it, enjoy it. Blow dryer, brush, and this oil. It's under $10. You can get it at Sally's. I hope you love it. And I'm out.